Hey, I'm Craig Roberts, owner of Apollo Screen and Shade here in Sacramento. If bugs, heat, or wind have been keeping you off your patio, your deck, your pergola, really any outdoor space you've got, that's exactly what our power screens are built to fix. These are motorized screens that lock into sealed side channels on both sides. When they're down, there are no gaps, no flapping, no billowing. And they work just about anywhere: patios, decks, pergolas, covered porches, outdoor kitchens. It's more like a window than a curtain. Our solar fabrics block up to 97% of UV rays, so you cut the heat and the glare without losing the view. We also do motorized window shades using the same zip track system, so you can tie your indoor and outdoor spaces together seamlessly. One button and everything comes down exactly where you want it. During the cooler months, the screens hold warmth in and block the chill, stretching your outdoor season by 50 days or more through fall and into winter. When you don't need them at all, they roll right back up into a housing that's barely 4.5 inches. You'd never even know they were there. We build every power screen factory direct. We measure your space, we fabricate it to fit, and our own crew installs it. No middlemen. We've been doing this for over 20 years, and we back it all with up to a 20-year warranty on both the fabric and the motor. Whatever outdoor space you've been meaning to actually use, let's make it happen. Give us a call, visit us online, or stop by our showroom.